Hoy, what's up mga tropa? So, for today's video, nakarating kami ng Binondo, Metro Manila dahil dinayo namin ang very famous na Grand Cafe 1919. Ito lang yan sa Juan Luna Street, kaya let's go! As I was saying, nakarating kami ng Binondo, Metro Manila at ito ang 1919 Grand Cafe. Pagpasok nyo pa lang, maaamoy nyo na ang classic looking Metro Manila nung mga early 1900s. Napakaganda ng disenyo at interiors ng restaurant na ito. Meron din silang mga artifacts na nakadesign from the reception all the way to the entire dining room. At ang bar nila, simple lang pero napakaganda rin. Siyempre pa, bumalik kami ng second floor using their old wooden stairs. At pagpanik nyo, mapapansin nyo may magandang view kayo overlooking the first floor area. 1919 Grand Cafe is a fine dining restaurant na nagsiserve ng Filipino cuisine. Kaya panoorin natin ang video at sama-sama tayong matakam sa sarap. Paano yan? Nagutom ba kayo? Well, isa lang ang gagawin nyo. Pumunta na kayo sa 1919 Grand Cafe sa Juan Luna Street, Binondo, Metro Manila. Madali lang mapuntahan to. If you're driving, you can use Waze or Google Map para madali yung mapuntahan ang 1919 Grand Cafe. You can also check out their Facebook page and inquire about reservations and availabilities. Thank you for watching the video and don't forget to like and subscribe. Maraming salamat!